Hey guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to do floating rings and shuttle tatting. Floating rings are also called throne rings, and what they are, floating rings are the rings you see that look like they are floating on tops of chains, and they can also be done on other rings. And I will use floating rings in this snowflake ornament I'm making. And if you're interested in this pattern, I have this shuttle tatting pattern for free on my blog, which I have linked below. To get started, all you do is you will start by making your chain like normal, but you will only make half your chain or whatever the pattern calls for. Now that you have made half your chain, now we are going to make the floating ring. What you do is you lay aside the shuttle you were working with and pick up your chain shuttle. Because the floating ring will sit on top of the chain, you use this thread to make the ring. And all you do to make a floating ring is to make your ring like normal, like you normally would, whatever the directions of the pattern call for. And you want to make sure to get the first stitch as close to the top of the chain as you can. And after you have made all the stitches in the ring the pattern calls for, all you do is now you will close your ring and lay aside your chain shuttle again and pick the other shuttle back up. Now you have made the floating ring on top of the chain. Now all you do is finish your chain like normal. Now that I have finished the chain, I will connect the end of it to the picot, and you can use the end of your shuttle or a small crochet hook. And that is how you do a floating ring and shuttle tatting. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please click the like button below and hit the subscribe button.